When we talk about geniuses who've shaped our world, Nikola Tesla's name deserves to be right up there. This wasn't just some guy tinkering in a lab. Tesla was a visionary, an electrical engineer who looked at the impossible and bent it to his will. His work, his inventions, they weren't just breakthroughs, they were seismic shifts in how we understand and use energy. In this series, we're diving deep into the mind of a true innovator, exploring 10 of Tesla's most groundbreaking inventions and the impact they've had on our lives. All right, let's talk electricity, the lifeblood of the modern world. Back in the late 1800s, it was a battle royale between two giants, Tesla's alternating current, AC, and Edison's direct current, DC. Now DC, it was like a one-way street for electrons, simple but limited. AC, on the other hand, that was revolutionary. Tesla figured out how to make the current change direction, oscillating back and forth, and that, my friends, was a game changer. See, AC could be stepped up or down in voltage using transformers, making it far more efficient for long-distance transmission. Edison, he campaigned hard against AC, even resorting to public electrocutions of animals to try to discredit it. Gruesome, right? But Tesla's system, it was the future. It won out, paving the way for the vast electrical grids we rely on today. Think about that the next time you flip on a light switch. If you've ever seen a Tesla coil in action, you know it's a sight to behold. Arcs of electricity shooting through the air, crackling with raw power. But this isn't just some mad scientist's toy. Tesla invented this resonant transformer circuit back in 1891, and it was a game changer. The Tesla coil generates high voltage, high frequency, alternating current, and it does it with incredible efficiency. We're talking hundreds of thousands, even millions of volts. Tesla saw the potential for wireless power transmission, and his coil was key to those experiments. Today, while we haven't quite cracked the code on wireless power at that scale, Tesla coils are used in radio technology, medical imaging, and yes, they still make one heck of a show in educational demonstrations. Let's talk about motors, the workhorses of the industrial age. Before Tesla, most motors relied on brushes and commutators, which caused friction, sparks, and wear and tear. Tesla's induction motor, patented in 1887, changed all that. Instead of brushes, it used a rotating magnetic field to induce current in the rotor, causing it to spin. This was huge. The induction motor was simpler, more reliable, and more efficient. And its impact? Well, it's all around us, from household appliances like washing machines and fans to industrial machinery and electric vehicles. The induction motor is an unsung hero of modern life. Chapter 4, Wireless Transmission of Energy, Tesla's Dream. Tesla had this dream, a big one. He envisioned a world where energy, not just information, could be transmitted wirelessly. Imagine that, powering your home without plugging anything in. His work on wireless transmission began with experiments using his famous Tesla Coil, but it culminated in the construction of Wardenclyffe Tower in 1901. This was no ordinary tower. It was a massive structure designed to transmit power wirelessly across the globe. Sadly, funding dried up and the project was never completed, but Tesla's vision, his belief in the power of wireless energy, well, it was ahead of its time. Today, as we explore wireless charging for our devices and even electric vehicles, we're taking baby steps toward the future Tesla dared to imagine. Chapter 5, Radio Waves, Tuning into Tesla's Legacy. We've all heard of Marconi and his claim as the inventor of the radio, right? But the story is more complex than that. Tesla was deeply involved in the development of radio technology, conducting experiments in the 1890s that demonstrated the principles of radio communication. In fact, he was awarded several patents related to radio technology, including one for a system of transmitting and receiving radio signals. The courts even acknowledged Tesla's priority over Marconi in a patent dispute. So the next time you crank up the radio, remember the unsung contributions of Nikola Tesla, a true pioneer in the world of wireless communication. Chapter 6, X-ray vision. Seeing through Tesla's eyes. X-rays, the ability to see through the human body, revolutionized medicine. And while Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen gets credit for the discovery, Tesla was right there on the cutting edge of this technology. In fact, shortly after Röntgen's discovery in 1895, Tesla began his own experiments with X-rays. He developed early X-ray imaging techniques and even took some of the first X-ray photographs. Tesla's work in this field was crucial in understanding the properties and potential dangers of X-rays, laying the groundwork for the safe and effective use of this technology in medical imaging today. Chapter 7. The Tesla turbine, a spin on efficiency. When you think of turbines, you probably picture massive blades spinning around a central shaft. Well, Tesla, being Tesla, had a different idea. His turbine, patented in 1913, was bladeless. Instead, it used a series of smooth, parallel discs housed in a chamber. As fluid flowed between the discs, it created a boundary layer effect, causing the discs to rotate and generate power. The Tesla turbine was remarkably efficient, especially at high speeds, and it was remarkably simple in its design. While it never quite caught on for large-scale power generation, the Tesla turbine has found a niche in modern engineering, with potential applications in everything from renewable energy systems to microfluidics. Chapter 8. Picture this. It's 1898 and Nikola Tesla is demonstrating something truly groundbreaking. A small boat that moves without any physical connection. This wasn't magic, it was Tesla's invention of the wireless remote control. Using radio waves, he was able to control the boat's motor and rudder from afar, showcasing the potential for wireless control of devices. This was a pivotal moment in technological history. Tesla's remote control wasn't just a novelty. It was a glimpse into a future where we could interact with machines from a distance. Today, remote control technology is everywhere, from our televisions and cars to sophisticated robots and drones. Chapter 9. Neon lights, those vibrant, glowing tubes that light up our cities. They owe a debt of gratitude to Nikola Tesla. While he didn't invent the neon sign itself, his work with high-frequency currents and electrical discharges in gases laid the groundwork for this ubiquitous form of lighting. Tesla experimented with running electrical currents through various gases, observing the different colors of light they produced. These experiments were essential to the development of neon lighting, which became popular in the 1920s and remains a staple in advertising, signage, and even art installations today. Chapter 10. Ever heard of a machine that can shake the ground? Tesla built one. His mechanical oscillator, often called a vibratory generator, was designed to produce resonant frequencies that could cause vibrations in other objects. Tesla believed this technology could have a wide range of applications, from generating electricity to causing earthquakes, though the latter is highly debated. While his oscillator never quite lived up to its full potential, it did lead to important advancements in our understanding of resonance and harmonic frequencies. Today, Tesla's work in this field has implications for everything from seismology and vibration analysis to the design of buildings and bridges. So there you have it. 10 of Nikola Tesla's most incredible inventions. This was a man who wasn't afraid to dream big, to push the boundaries of what was possible. His work, often misunderstood in his time, has left an indelible mark on the world. From the electricity that powers our homes to the wireless technology that connects us, Tesla's legacy is all around us. And as we venture further into the 21st century, who knows what other innovations his visionary ideas will inspire?